As you know, Cadillac has made significant strides in the electric vehicle market. With the Lyriq SUV and Celestiq's flagship hatchback already starting to attract attention, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade IQ is the newest addition to its lineup. But recent spy photos have piqued our curiosity. Let's take a closer look. The spy photos we found reveal a sleek, mid-size 3-row SUV nestled comfortably between the XT6 and the Escalade. Design elements, notably the flat trim and long tail, closely resemble those of the iconic Escalade. However, upon closer inspection, one can't help but notice some similarities to the gas-powered Cadillac XT6 as well. This has led us to consider the possibility of the 2025 Cadillac XT6 Electric being a potential replacement for the current model XT6. That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you enjoy this exclusive first glimpse of the upcoming 2025 Cadillac XT6 electric SUV. While the spy photos don't paint a clear picture, we did our best to illustrate what we might expect from this electric beauty. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates and more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.